Felibi Okun 1979 June 4th uprising. Can be fit to Owu Nansiera. Say Margaret Naka. Domin Margaret Naka. Remember now, we above also won't choose the Monqua Bridge. Now me a cadet.
Papa Pachoma Menka. Mr. Those of you on Facebook are in your challenge kakra ti ya samba to be to me. I log on to Facebook and I feel word to me. Akra.
It's above me. O choose the impact of a impact account.
Okay.
The impact bars or Bridge. Because I was the biggest military school in the world. When I was in church, Slim and Montgomery. Obi ayo biara King Hussein the Gaddafi yes papa. I school be outside University of Ghana.
And so Gaddafi called the same school.
Yes. Only make
King Hussein called the same school. And see every Ghana armed forces no rank here then.
I mean rank. Me officer cadet.
Officer cadet. No, every
officer, any officer.
Every time na maybe say.
Every time. Rank be lieutenant general, but my 4 years na be PhD. So you be PhD in course. You just see my call na na.
Say was soldier no more say yedin. Any sabe rubbish be no say
na
amen.
Let me mention them.
E bibia so beka. One not to them anu yi.
Kwame Nkrumah one. What's the course market be? Kwame Nkrumah. Black Star fast. Of your work. You know what of about the Jubilee also of you know the bay.
E ka kan wadwen che Kwame Nkrumah.
Okay. No, yes ya kwa da le bachi. Ala be na the way.
Oh, then abasem no see me ko kan wadwen che Kwame Nkrumah.
E be be debate kakra. Kete. Captain Kojo Chikata, waka baby Nancy.
Okay.
Sure yimen.
Minyimen.
Assembly 1965.
Okay.
Nkrumah wontun.
Na Nkrumah wa banem.
No, Nkrumah wontun 66.
No, also was soldier.
Me captain so you know. Afem say o rank I won.
Enyo.
Me do captain.
Na you captain.
Yo.
Okay.
And now BB na nkare kwa eche wo so je na kwa akọ outside Ghana. Eje permission.
Okay.
Remember obamu ho na menize nkomo. And also oko lomi akowe na egusafo ntama man dam permission okore na okay feel Angola the Angolan civil war na watching what in the bay na Nkrumah na bufu ma abon e kakra Nkrumah na bufu then also one no the oman permission okore emi captain Nunoo-Mensah for flags up ko yiwano me pay so no ntu yina no kwa me kwa na nwuye hu onye peka so but no nwuye hu na what mo call but no kwa ode ye hu akokuduru e ka no kwa but moko one me because my menzako is my doyabon.
Was na Captain Kojo Chikata kwanda
unko. By right, name not a man on a many answer. But when you call me because I laugh a baby, instead of Mukon Amadokra. Name one. See, Kotoka painful Pia was no cry, a captain is no cry. I could do in Hakudu to tell the truth. Gana Piaco in Hakudu. Okay. I could feel I or Asho Mayma. It's also a fufu or a tuntu. But then can go to the economy. Oh, I say a poto. That's all ye. We are good to kind of work. And see about the about. I'm in the Marankin. Look, we feel a breach. 2 years with you a breach. Sunday or a big school. So, but friend about basketball put the minimum ye, minimum. It's our breaching. A hospital going into an answer call. A one side to see beyond the bicycle. What a motion, move bicycle ride. See, we in 2 years and Captain said, more you went there. Pay better about for Ghana, paying for about Britain, India, within the Commonwealth, or Cosanhes, or a huge military place. Now, we were 2 years in Mizzou, we were in, now what she said there. What she said, order of merit. What's it? Officer Cadet Nunoo-Mensah of Ghana, and OZ, I walk in your office, now, Ozi first.
That time, and I want to hear number one.
Okay. Among all the cadets who Commonwealth, who Nigeria, who Ghana,
all the Commonwealth countries, no better.
Now I overpower for you, my metro.
Yeah, then they get the first. Okay. It's every Ghana Armed Forces, no Brigadier General.
No, the chief of defense staff. Other child Lieutenant General.
Oh, yes, CDS.
Yes, I was chief of defense staff 2 times.
Ibia be that.
No, the 2 times I made 2 times.
A year or other time.
1979. Where you cool now?
1979.
June 4th.
Oh.
I check a crack. And now ye also now that baby na me ya ko yan hwe yi o anza odam cool na ben
ya ba bo no do into 79 Rawlings after that you cool e be chief of defense staff and about time you na defense staff
on the man ben na o say mon ko fi na be 42 the man
ben na 42 years in the armed forces
na me na me retire chief of defense staff very young na mo years we see you know
it's the time I had the first chief of defense staff. Now how many years?
42.
It means that you were the youngest.
But you're younger than that. The man who says
1 year in. Now you're the youngest.
Captain Smarter.
Okay.
And see, you know, Minstrazi, mechanical. Mechanical, it's a matter that says, yeah, no, master, last my uncle. Anyway, you see, all the time. Na meje kwa modo hacho medo habanka sibi
if hacho
yeah meje kwa be se meje ma fa na menema e kala for the first time papa na no yezen papa no yezen mo bia no yezen papa so the way na ono mo ba na medo me ba nche na za na ibu so asimpo yin makondo ada mesesa me de bibo na o ya kondo yeah
iyo nyo akondo
me be change
e ba be change na mam me da se
ena once ye nuku okotu le man ya be okotu osan okotu le man bi otu ayi fa feje fa ban 79 80 81 December obotu le man no tu nya gwe no osan film ha be modo ba banchin was wo hwem na me ko back to uniform for matter na me shey na me ko back
at that time na fi armed forces nim no wasanzo bay but ça show so jatare bi
wow atami bi atan sensen na my bay but my bay about more here then Ghana broadcasting
yeah
my announcement then my back in Chamber but on them Ghana managing my back to serve my nation once again.
Okay, so twice in two separate administrations, right. Chief of Defense Staff.
Right. Okay. Namara Bidebufu, Mr. Lawrence Nabeni.
Okay. Eba hasn't also called MPP. But then maybe wasn't a parliamentary candidate to cry.
19 before 1996. Okay, 1996. I don't know for Mokwabuchi about 10 years. 1983 to 93. Yeah, what runs are being, but the constitutional rule 1992. Wabuchi. So Martin about 10 years. Wabu 10 years. It's a member fee. Number bay. My bay no yana Ghana Morocco na mobufu. I say, oh man years o man basa something. Na me after I was after I able to cry. Na mo so no they better kasa wo free answers man. I can say quite sepela kasa ko parliament. You Wabuchi was in full uniform from parliament. E porugo. Now, if you are called a political party, they behave like a politician, but not a soldier in uniform.
Okay.
Now, you see, maybe a better band, Nayako, a constitutional rule. Now, we call him PV because by right, in KB, Wanyama bedfellow. Go papa, friends who call you MP, or call your lawyers now. But Maras and Effie, a role is not being you want me, you are coca crack. It's a month to join, it's a good MPP. But I'm going to join. I am a condo.
Yes, I'm which about DC.
Mansamba, there is any cry. But only when President Mills or you be a strong.
Okay.
A penasum as a human being. Why a politician? Or ye, Yansafa, I'm there. A gray room comes by a gray Yankopon, Nessa Umo. This is a image of Membudu Bibia, as I'm come to, not moon we Nabian Yaman, Yankopon, Nessa Wood. Nti Mr. Ben, papa mo hwe na Audrey o wa akoma o wa adwen power man ho na me hye but me pele me support to me you politician but on main so chia na hwe no butua.
Okay, nti Professor Mills na ba no be have a position now
national advisor on national security.
Okay,
so bibia yin na na bekasa oye
ibi ka chem de keka wadwene kire Rawlings akeka wadwene a kire Kwame Nkrumah. What's the can wadwin such na Rawlings?
Yaku pinye.
And your Rawlings a queen.
Pinye. But there was something see or yeah.
No you pupu. Wow. Obwana.
No. Man can physically.
Okay. Okay.
But he respects people like that. We be wadwin respect to.
Okay. So on so many occasions.
So many occasions. And it's our bow Nancy and Pony did or may a document and Mokonazi.
Obewu yai.
Ebe Nancy.
You need to document.
Yes, your routine be every 2 weeks. Where's the mayor document the main acres one will be upon after.
Outer Rollins.
No, yeah, even better. They don't want not if you but the
okay.
Captain, if my man will be sir. Nti the kada wa yamba abenkwa no no yentomeda ebo
you mare ye you ma benkwa ne ye
ma yenchemo because ma me okogwa we jam ofie ho me younger brother nti bi anyo me la ko me ne ko bibi osunyane mfa yakọ teche marada na ide dokudoko no izo ayeda wa ma no dokun yanko nkedi dokun wo teche ma musaba yanko teche ma nkedi dokun wo ba dokuna papa o winiba na mi yeman so ka kamede chere obezi dokun manama dabna wamba e china wodi man manam teche be bia me bi wo oralis ni asku nyam sisi so man kofo na ori dokun na me ye wa no ye me se me na me ye o se me chene ye me se me chow if you neka me yanko pon time in wo yada dem dokun you see from birth in citizen then please be am dem dokun aka na show na yakọ me ye dizi nti o chana adwen mo so me chama adwen. And we respect each other for being bold enough to speak our mind. And see, okuna yakuna yakuna oye de popo. But be him, mama me the papa. If you water reg, if runs near with him, mama me the papa. Around if you water reg, if you the friend then it was the mommy baby ofi. And see, we didn't be in a way, but we never knew each other from that angle. And see, remember Chamadin, the new beara, got the new beara queen, Kotoka, Yen Kotoka, or you cool to climb and come. No, so like what about so much monk name. Maya Bonnie. If when I'm in a Maya Bono, no quite amazing, or the whole, and see, Monsieur de Macadam, get a mazi. Out of good faith. Maca in that time, 1965, when I remember a captain, that was you got an answer, maybe. Kotoka that's easy, name Pabay. That's easy. Then him, Ono to Kwame. Akwesi Amankwa Afrifa. These are men of courage. We don't have them anymore in this country.
Answer, you men of courage.
No, courage, either courage, issue of brave fejemo. Courage to me, Captain Smart, or she fit up, or she to Obezo, or she to no. Or she fit up, cannot courage was a cannot quarrel.
Ebi nyo sisi. Sisi abi nyo.
Ibe mo kan make say was a body but what when we do be nyo. Yes I ebu wan fa. Eso wonya kan fa ba.
Okay.
One more petrol.
Ti Ghana for say ye hu why chief of defense staff Aban Munum even though now it was led by one person. And wechi wabaye MPP parliamentary candidate da. And why Professor Mills National Security Advisor. Ti papa we Ghana no onimu. Afe na interview ne be hyase de ekeka ina ne yedi agro. Ofa ibadi ntine Africa. Se muri nyina na sebe wa yet de madwen no wa say abanta.
Ye nyina ya adwenen ogbetu.
Ogbetu.
Doko na ye oda waka ne show. Bad nsa. No to them all. Because bisem date what woman papa on him. The woman 1937. Exact date no him. But no quarna what is it saying? Papa, when you are treaty, mammy you are treaty. What is it saying? Papa was it you cut on the corner. Oh Mosika. You couldn't feel I'm an issue the scan what on the corner. No, what it's so to be truthful and honest. Oh, could be winnable. Honest society, hope society. My join hope, my past join honesty. No quarrel on any that. In what it will mold you to be a perfect human being. Will mold you. Dokun was a dokuna, or be me and I arrive beautiful will mold you. Then you saw Papa, you know, even the Papa one. When you where he's coming from. Those days, no what's a told the river. It's told the river. What's show no crazy. It's rather. It's a damn corner what is one was a war so. Near about it's one back, was rather. In the was about the baz, say a bona, Boko hell, boko be jaba yankopo be show. They believe it. They was true in there as I can Bible or a professor or a doctor of this and that. I feel that look soon I feel no wise more. You see, that no my yes say from days of olden to the present time. Yes, rather.
It's all no affecting pain from Wajuna.
You want inara. You want inara. What you know affecting were you very few. Were you very few. Now, you see, that mechanic show in Fasten. I mean, what 3 other brothers. If you are in school, and Madam the school. Brigadier and Copon, wash that. Now, what we pay for a future role. But I believe in that. Life, what I've gone through now, it was arranged by some mysterious power. You can call him God, you can call him anything you want to call him. But make sure you pay what come on some action. Last year, Captain, that's what about last year, December 2000 and what? 2000.
December 2000.
What about? Last election.
Yeah, 2000. 2020, yeah.
2020.
Yeah, sure.
That's true. Na moso da bia da na moso yen. Moso da basa. Minizema memena moso da. Dizna me dirige yin na so da ba. Na you know, da moso na oyedu. Maso da them on 2 occasions. One was 1966. Nkuma wotu nkuma. Noroko Hanoi. Or 2 men also. 2 days on, I must have them come and plane other one. I crash. Hey. Oh, it's all for you, babe. Now, me, most of me, be radio, near your mobile phone. We say BBC. One cadet, come out the master be a master. But 2 days on, no cool, you see, man, come out watching. And what that done meant to me, the dream meant to me was that, come on some bagana alive. Mantasi. There are most financing 7 December at Waba. No, we do. If I reach and then come on, and then
so
they
catch him.
No problem because down oil.
Catch him.
Pay to airport to her. Off almost on my bed, on my roof.
Okay.
A bit off, but Betsy did. Mother, that day able to very deep sleep.
Oh, yeah, 2020, that's so damn day.
On 7 December.
Okay.
That I'm also in. I mean, play the route on 2. The pilot now struggle with the plane to keep it airborne.
Okay.
Plane the pedal offshore. Now the struggle in that inside the plane, my dream, deep asleep. Now me after, I'm sure about the other man in paper. The man I met see huge explosion in the dream.
Boom.
No more jahu.
Plane national form.
Plane national. My parachute. And my answer, what should I do? That very sleep now, another dream. Mental is about myself. Then what am I fishing harbor? We do. We do one with a ship be our best, no best here, a ship no ye. A capsize or butu. The kind of fancy. The impa, to Peru. We should them address here. May ye matter and go and make a shame. Praying about Moko and Samako school. What the man, Mamma, Captain, out to night, might be out to that. From movie and I think, Mafna, minutes away. I began to think of the meaning of this dream, both of violence, both of loss of lives. And when I was so that basa, and then Captain Yanfi Ghana, Yanfi
Abasamba.
Me, myself, being young upon. But them dreaming, speaking of violence and death. Never, we are the Ghana, baby, as the eye.
Bocho, baby, if she events are or koda, kubo to me.
Cool, each and them, that must be.
Diana is saying cool. Ye better than Diana.
Cool, there is order. There is command channel. Cool is seen. He runs a baby. Baby, so the woman, which you have respect to a castle betty. There's a but I was easy. Now we'll be in charge, a controller. Captain, we are the pussy or that booty. No, all they are fighting. If Gaddafi woken, what happened in Libya? If Iraq, I've been asked to speak today. The chaos over Iraq. Now the compare there, June 4th, June 4th impo. Maybe what you CDS. Yes, sir. We'll take order. You can give order. You see, I don't wish Ghana any violence. But the worst violence I fear is what I'm talking about, chaos, general chaos. If you name a word, impossible, and men can own to me so.
Like a civil uprising,
yes, civil uprising. It's civil uprising I'm talking about. Civil uprising. Most of them my year. Now, Yanka no Koro, Yanka truth and French, Yanko.
No, but they cannot watch you. What's one match?
Obviously, I'll tell you, where do you not say about it? A Kakawabacho. And you know, the men won't catch on one to catch it. Hope you catch them. They so much of me. I hope I mean, I'm ready. I the baby 85 Mokwa, my baby. About the most review. But no quarren, no message Yaku could drink on American. Is that my I can't watch my way one. I didn't know what I said. I do about it's a more. I don't need to be called woman. I know what the whole. No, be a repeat. No, never to us. You know what the whole on Chevy. Yeti, quantum. I'm not going to see. Cannot quantum. I should come to smart, okay. Boy, none. As my car, I know what I could be. Instead of a Yaku could do to speak the truth.
But I want to money in Kakaswa, 7 Motasa Mon Queen. Mon Casa.
Impa, when you impa what's in me, Utumbe one, Utuman answer.
Mon Casa.
Yes, sir. Maybe 1 million join me. When you will, I want to Untuman Casa, Untuman answer, we will go that. I mean, I go for me, the couple of other and now promise some order, Mutumbe man, Macasa, my way, man. You want to Macasa. Few, the Wotum Bewano. McKay, about a year ago, almost a year ago, me and Pebby, in Yemen, you haven't paid for what you are, won't win, on lawyer number 1, on if you women number 1. Retired chief of defense staff, what's income? 2 of us. Yes, why I'm so. Joe, come sit down. Because a document away, Air Force Station. You're going to impose a patron, I can have. Patron, I can have, patron or. But also, I can have it. On a poor Yapapa Biara. And no, see, or my Morocco, let's go and see the president and talk to him.
Which are the presidents?
Current president. Last year, Nanado.
And Secono.
Maybe I'm quite
okay.
I try the Belgian, I try and talk about. Nado, I am a young papa. I'm a campaign manager, 1998. I was campaigning with him.
I want to know another campaign manager. Oh, I'm going to be your questions and pay fine for. I go for now, boy. Kodo. Kodo. Aha.
Never be in for American.
Let's say in young there was there kono.
Yo. Nam, you cannot know because you see, Ringina, Umundama, when I've been on you, science. No, science. It's a man who watches for bottle. Unquaban, sir. And see, you won't be there, the I mean, a bit tricky. I parts and see, I hear over a piano. When I need to come. But when pay is a more coming and come pin in him
campaigning, the economist.
When I pay funny business. Yanko Papa, Kwame, Madame to name. And say, Premier on my pay casa, no food. Important friend. Come in Pawagiro. Oye, Gabi, Oche, Daku.
Kwame Pidin Fred Gabi, Oche, Daku. Okay.
So, that's a major question. I mean, that would be a coffee. No, Jenna Pedro, President, Moba, I know some more New York, now Nation General Assembly. It's a Moba, my papa, General. You get to be on the Bacassa. But my servant, so I bear the penny, Kwame ring him. General, what Manka, Mr. Venture, the anchor. I didn't come into a monk. Some me after about 85. How much about the defense staff? Oana, a minister for national security. Kandapa. You mean I'm joining people, so I know all of them. From General, President Minimum Casa. Minimum Casa. Mini another two other people. I'm so. Many penny been a young opinion of my one man, and that's not my country. Me penny my one man there. Also, I'm more ready. Okay, 90, 89. Most of it, I'm for that. Yeah, if you have position, one fair bands, man, your car, man, be better. Made the more document mention and the moment could be a mammy Macada. That's one of my secrets of long life. If you have one for me. No, my coming in some.
In this one, but I'm full. Sure.
Busy Ghana food or
organic,
and come if you won't come over here. Made them poor, made them be a made them moku, me a man, maybe. What back cantonment here.
Okay. It's more paying them and then, or then.
What's them that young?
Oh, into Uncle Shakandapa.
Because me paying a president in Akasa. President the commander in chief of the Ghana Armed Forces. No commanders of the Ghana Force. What go so Captain Smaba, Captain Smaje, a name better name to your casa. Those Uncle Boy or Nikakasa. Yeah, Froba.
Now, if that was a disrespect?
Yes. The character you won't pay, maybe, no, was no. You're right.
You say Shakandapa.
Ancient.
Okay. It's a now it can be about another.
I'll tell them it's in Otonsu. The meat able yanko. We saw what is happening. You see,
what did you see? Tell us.
No,
I
wasn't.
President.
See, youth, oh, we are Ghana. Wohamazi. My youth a pain. Muhamazi to become who I am today. Then, some more of all Winniba, Mokonada. Mokoma from Modokun, and from Mokanko, I am in Yadokun to Winnie. That's a macachon. Things are becoming rough. But we don't want to admit that things are getting rough. Look at Mecca more cars by Annan. Mifio. Oldest here, 46 years old.
What kind of using? Boy, oldest. Kind of 46 years.
Was here, 23 years old. But Macy School done a son. O'Reilly, the whole rally, I built a school for O'Reilly Senior High School. We the best for Nunoo-Mensah house. Saba, Messi, school ama, Islamic school. Mammy, make me say them to Lankusamo. I could be Piahui Barra, Baka, now one old man, former chief of defense staff, or Piahui Barrow, to build a future, not for my children, not for my grandchildren, but for our grandchildren. Them know what build.
Feel about a young year to baby.
The worst of all, in leadership.
Ah,
you know, we leaders, oh.
Wamo.
They want to be yummy. We're politicians.
They are not leaders.
No. Leader is born. You don't learn to be a leader. You are born a leader.
Leaders are born.
You are born.
You don't learn to be a leader.
No. You have to have certain ingredients in you.
Okay.
To be a leader. Now, when leaders, they come to make money. They're going to buy land. They're going to enjoy themselves.
Ah.
This is what I have seen.
And one of what is here? I'll make win.
Broko Winniba. Broko Winniba. So, why are you? Go general. Now, with land cruiser. In land cruiser,
205,000 per.
Now, pay.
$205,000
for Germany. My boy, Germany, 1969. Benz can. It's 2,000 OCDs. In there, 20 pesos. Meko about the Stuttgart. Benz fact, what red carpet for 20 pesos in there. We are buying $2 and something and so Yiska. You see, you will be in fact, in number of watching any other day. I don't know why.
Answer.
First of all, this is a
and then Popo, Yan Shasso.
Wo as a friend then. Or from the producer. So, boy, I'm enjoying my Winniba. Because Captain Smile Sherman was saying that no matter what happens, I will be here. What's about time? What's 8 o'clock? So, you like me, Kaita. Man, gonna for Kaita, about 9. It's 8 for 9. But don't do it again. I come later. Say, me, moon with a man from my to me coming to Mecanasia, Madaba. I do at 8 o'clock. Look at the yesterday, 9 o'clock. Now, my board stiff. Then my passer. Man, now, I'm always on the move doing something. That's one of my secrets of longevity. No, Benjamin. Look at me. Monko report the sick, my doctor be at that. Moko about 2 years. Maybe the doctor know what son has work. Menya, but the Bacadu, but the meeting, Mamma to me, the answer was a memorial, a ritual. The petty in them. The leaders, no, a leader, a real leader, what would be? And I've seen a couple of them. Leader, Washington, Nkrumah was a leader. I worked with Nkrumah as a captain. 1965, no more London. We started the war, Nkrumah by a conference, a year before he was overthrown. Oba no batna, woman one bedroom, marry me, you know, Bijina. Kusama, no, your friend, high commissioner. Nifi, one bedroom. He was a powerful man, yet very modest. The air quiet, the dumb. Scanner, year one. Ghana cannot be said to be a poor country. It's never. And it's too rich. But
some soldier for and also politicians.
I condemn every military removal of the government. No, you serve Yakwa Bridge 1961. First, was to go to House of Commons, House of Lords. It's a uniform. What do you call? To see democracy, at work. See MPs, the Labour Party and the Conservative Party, or shall the Parliament. We are the one meeting or together with Common. No, to go interfere with parliamentary running of the country. And see, I don't support any military group. But there's the trouble in there. The trouble in there. What's all the man wants to want some woman here? They be outside, what's some bay man, even ye. It's more idea, one woman, what is your one side? Won't show me, you won't bunny ye.
Tell us, let's say, Nay and another the campaign manager.
Yes. I taught the whole Ghana with him.
You taught the whole country with him? Okay.
You were so close. But yes, Tim, I papa.
Basam no say.
Mr. Ben, Brigadier because supporting Mr. against him.
Onunsa. Anthony J. Nechizi, because campaign managers, Anthony J. Danado Nechizi.
See, Mwamba Basa.
We know what you mean for.
Basically, we mean for being.
Okay.
In who they are different. About paying or a doctor, which you Google, Nunoo-Mensah bone road. I say, on Casapi, but on Swazi. I look on social cry. But on position, as a position, on John or anybody. Probably saying to train you remember when I and see, Mr. Bear, for instance, or Impa Peninsula.
And if you miss or Impa.
Or you politician.
Okay.
You see, politicians within the court, they tell lies all the time to get power.
But another politician.
A politician.
So he tell lies.
All politicians, no. But one kind of call all the time. What are you here? Oh, madam. I just want you know.
Until Milsi Nipa, on your politician.
No, Milsi politician.
Or Nipa.
No.
Another a politician, another Nipa.
Oh, be a politician or a different on kind of court.
Okay. Until another politician, another Nipa.
Or a politician.
Or a politician, okay.
And that's how I made the difference.
Now, Mahama Nipa, another a politician.
Mahama, you see,
Uncle, or Nipa, another a politician. Answer that way in this security. I want to buy that qualified BB.
But 2008, because of incident.
Catch up.
You see, your politicians, I am Rahu for them leading this country. This country will be destroyed. For lack of.
Is Mahama a politician or a human being?
Why I'm saying what he is? When
are we answer? Mahama is a politician.
No, but there's no.
Mahama is a politician.
A politician.
Don't talk about him.
Okay.
Jay Kufo or a politician, I don't Yipa.
Obi a politician.
Okay. Me as a pen or Yipa. Okay.
Or a politician.
That's simple, name call.
But my permit, Mama, my Mr. Mahama. If I make a beer, I'm to my children on your leader. 2000, Mama, only 2008. You may feel about that. In so clinic school, so clinic.
But if you'll be a chairman, I'm in room.
Well, so clinic, be in war, from school. And now, I will be 6:15. It be Jamaican nature. na me go big nechi na man nan so ko big nechi ma ye bia me ye bobo boy me ye me da me ye mo do me bia e ba na hwe me ye ba ka de be eh na ma sa wan me se ba zo o de mi e ba che ba na moko me gwan ko ina oba mo ho obi jam so na honorable me nyimen but me share no da
okay
same people bole bambo honorable na ha so also me ba won chen ba men chen eno yan ko go na man zen de Mills or choosing as a running mate. It's him.
It's you, pa.
Now, what is what my uncle on choose? What's the good?
Rollins is on Pemahama.
Also, my uncle. I bet you why on pen. Also, on my uncle on choose.
Okay.
The big catch in the day. Simple. Rollins. What's in Asama? Omohum. I go to my castle. Rollins a bit tea. On castle beyond. That's my say. And so I bay. Never so. As my made Ujuma. Im best a friend, Beho, Victor Beho.
And yo. Then when the picture that be Bemishan 1 day that.
Me, 1963. The Russia goes on to Russia. It's making me like a crow. Now, which for Victor Beho, Victor, there's a problem. Go rollers in your course in your cobo. The Asian, you could be fee. In BB. So rollers no. And good did a man, no so buya papa, and so boy and cast about why is he. I thought they can unpack, but Onyan, why is he not today?
All respect to.
That's right. Because on cable.
And say, I want to Victor Behono would to me, ma. Rollins the task.
Exactly.
Mama Hammer Bear running mate, my Professor Bill.
Exactly.
Okay.
None more in there. A Miss we are your freeman. Not a vice president, not by a president. That's us. As a result of Mills' demise. Now, obey in the key or Boteman 2012, obey, obey the president. I don't hear obeying. In your painful now, you wouldn't know obeying a good. I be more.
Ah, paying for our parts of the moon. I want to part our
Newman, Baby Nunoo-Mensah,
and this in paying for an more part of the moon.
No, your positions in the presidential staff person.
Our Professor Mills not by name.
Now, Benuma,
or 2 win agree. Namoko Bisan.
Why? Okay. Why politicians?
And so Kodai.
Politicians want favor. They don't think of anybody, only about themselves. We have power for their own benefit, not for the benefit of the nation. This will call 1 year. 1 year, man. Because in power, who so win same, so for Mamma will do me, you see, if I had dry, never after the 8 out to Sumo. As
so Mahaman and some few students in the dry land. No, dry land, we know what to insulin.
My brothers and Casa and Pamaya president. As I say,
Matase.
Now, by Impa, oh, ye.
I want not to insulin.
Copon, on Pedamaz. Nyanonko, there be 2 or 3 other occasions, but in a make sure that we've got politicians and not leaders who are honest, who are sincere, who have integrity. We don't have them.
Look into my eyes and answer this question, yes or no. Is Mahama a sincere person?
But Michael is sincere.
Is he a sincere person?
No.
He's not.
Well, I've just told you.
Okay.
Yimpa makes who won't say Mama will do midways maybe I dry.
Is he somebody we can trust? Look at me. Look into my eyes.
Yimpa is sincere.
Old boy.
I hate that trust.
No, we can't trust Mahama.
Mama answered several times.
All right.
Yimpa, I
don't know. This wasn't terrible.
One was man.
You.
What I was at it. And me by name Moko, and Moko. Mama can.
Song on.
No. That's the problem Ghana has, Africa has. We don't have the courage to tell the truth. The courage to tell the truth.
Who do you think will be the best person to lead your party, NDC?
NDC. What can I say?
Naman
MPP party.
Since I still a MPP, and in your party,
I've never been a member of the NDC. Never.
You are still
I've
MPP.
been a member of the MPP. I left long ago.
So you don't belong to any political party?
My party is called Ghana.
Ghana, okay. So to the best of your knowledge, as a former CDS, you worked with Nanado as the campaign manager, Professor Mills as the national security advisor. Who do you think will be the best person to lead that party?
With you. For Ghana's future, none of these two parties will sort out our difficulties.
Oh,
none
of them?
No. Baby, you do. Oh, you.
It be a kada why you was to cast no ship. Uncle, I did soldier. As a young can acquire Yenya Kukudu, Yenya Day, Ibaz name who you can the man carry.
Win in Tassi, and Mamma Tassi, who win about Madame may beans. I am Combo win about.
Ibaz no you.
Because people are hungry. No, they are seriously hungry.
And for commands in the end of 10 years, 20 years, 30, 40, 50 years. Our own uncle. Our own uncle or president.
I am telling you,
I want to hear the campaign manager.
The truth. No. The truth must be said. We don't have the courage to speak the truth. I keep on repeating this. If he then do be in a drill, because I am a campaign manager, so you know him better. Politicians, when your power, will look why you're different. We're the same people again. Power corrupts. Absolute power corrupts.
Absolutely.
Power corrupts. No. I've been around for a long time to study leaders.
Are you disappointed in Nunoo?
No. No, apart from Nkrumah.
Are you disappointed in him?
Yes.
Why?
Apart from Nkrumah, you haven't had a leader who passionately, he may be wrong, but passionately loved this country.
Not even your Professor Mills.
See, the problem there.
Nobody
Mills was passionate.
He was president for 3 years.
Yes, but when you had that, what could you achieve?
Is it not because you, the old men and women in this country, and one way and problem?
No. I know.
Because you joined Professor Mills' administration. Mahama Bear no Pamono yo.
No.
Mahama Bear, where you
No, then. Yeah. I've learned something in life.
Tell me.
Many are so many. Journey through this life. Or you zigzag.
Okay.
Yeah. Obiasha. Napa. God knows why. 1983. I left Ghana unceremoniously. Went to exile in Britain for 10 years. Into that, you may be suffering Britain. Because a fellow officer, whom I knew well, by evangelist, came to me early in the morning. My life was in danger, and God has spoken to him on 3 occasions. I should leave Ghana and go. No, you go for the mobile, not the mass saying the map, because if you want to pay me,
okay.
And not only that, I've had about 2 or 3 of such prophecies. They've come true. So, if I took my family, the way I went, it was quite exciting. I was under surveillance after I left the Rawlings government in anger. And see, out of plan, I've been intelligence all my life. I've been with KGB, CIA, the war. British intelligence. I've been everywhere. It's a minimum how to get things done. I left and came back. It is a Bibi Yama on Yamayo. You know, I am couple no quantity there over them. As I say, when I get disappointed, it doesn't hurt me. I was not promoted. I was chief of defense 2 times. The rank was lieutenant general. I'm promoted on home. They didn't bother. No, the mama, though, I am a yo, but it was just to show the character of these people. Anyway,
would you accept any appointment from Nunoo?
The baby. 85. Mafna.
Impe Abre.
Mafna.
So you're the 85 is Uncle Beji.
Mr. Ben can't fancy Mr. Mafna.
So you're the Afna Uncle Beji.
No, mention it. Look, I love this country passionately. There are things that I can still do. Not physically. But mentally, I am as strong, as able as anybody. Experience is the best teacher. Experience is the best teacher. You see, why not help if you are in a position to help Ghana as a mayor? I will do it.
Okay, let me read something from Ghana Web to you. I think this was, I need to get the date right for you, but let me read this. The National Security Advisor, Brigadier General Joseph Nunoo-Mensah, retired, has strongly condemned the increasing number of industrial actions on the country's labor front. According to him, workers cannot allow to embark on strike when their salaries have been increased several times under the single spine pay structure. When our doctors and teachers call strike every day and issue ultimatum to government, then something is going wrong. We cannot allow that to happen. Brigadier Nunoo-Mensah said people who cannot sacrifice to help in the development process should leave the country. Since the coming into effect of the single spine pay structure, most people have gotten salaries 3 times or more to what they were getting before. We are calling strikes every day. If you cannot leave the country, that was a harsh statement.
But I can't one trouble for me.
Or Tron dead.
As he has said, no, hard, not hard said.
And say it can be not Troy.
Make 12 years ago.
No, but that time I catch on them when I work for striking. If they can't contain, if the kitchen is too hot,
get out.
Get out.
Take your passport and get out.
Why? You still maintain that statement?
I was getting up at 3 o'clock to build O'Reilly Senior High School. I'm not a gun. I'm not an old boy. I sacrificed my life to build a school for your children. I said this when in 2012. No, was it about 2014 or 2012, thereabout. I had built O'Reilly. After I built O'Reilly Senior High School. School what to? Fairly Lee. Wanted to school him. The general school in or Asylum down behind the cathedral. Immediately now behind the cathedral. Now, we know the down is in Otu. It's we baby uncle. The other what to today. We need more schools, not less schools. So I said, no, you can't close down the school. I was sort the problem out. But sorry, me had school advice to President Mills. I think about 2012, thereabout.
Okay.
And now, most at 3 o'clock, I is the work at the Bogu Teshi. So what I've done, you need to see it to believe it.
No, I mean, you've told me, but what I want to know is that, so currently, if things are hot, are you still saying we should leave?
I'm explaining why I said, get out.
But you are saying this time, in Zama or your West than previous years. And see, it's actually a statement I can hear.
No. At that time,
and I
no. It was within a context. It's not the same as today.
No, the context is that
no.
Single spine salary structure, which on 3 times. The context is that after Ahomachi Kwesi, it's our first school. O'Reilly Senior High School. It's what Ahomachi as an old boy.
No, an old boy. I felt
that's right.
It was
and now people don't feel what you felt. So if the kitchen is too hot, get out.
They did nothing. I did something.
So if still people are not doing anything and the system is hot, we should get our passport and get away. You know so?
No. If you are in a position to help, look, this is 6 or 7 school blocks.
Okay.
No one done this in Ghana.
Okay, so the youth are suffering today. You just said it. You go and read about it's beans. Now the system is hot. You want the youth to get their passport and get out?
Captain, man, now I'm chair critic.
No, so you want the youth to get out?
No. They should get involved in building.
How do they get involved?
By doing what I did.
That time you did not ask them to get involved. You did it alone.
No. Please, I'm a casa.
Okay.
I'm time. No. What happened was, O'Reilly was dying. Before Leoka, Minister for National Baby Nancy.
Talents is still dying. It's the same thing.
And I'm messy. I didn't just say get out. I went there to build a school.
After you told them to get out?
No, remember, not after. Before, I went to build a school. Today, a man called me from London last week. He said, thank you for O'Reilly. For what I did, I went to the hospital. A lady said,
excellent job.
But Ghanaians are sitting down, doing nothing, buying Land Cruiser and doing bloody nothing.
Who are the Ghanaians buying the Land Cruiser? I haven't bought a Land Cruiser. So far, did no Land Cruiser. Dachi Madras and no Land Cruiser. Echo, no Land Cruiser. Derek, director, no Land Cruiser. So when you say, Ghana football want to Land Cruiser, you are not directing your venom to the right quarters.
What the water language?
One water. There be one more. You tell me.
Remember, but let me go to O'Reilly because it's very important. And you can come back here. O'Reilly, the O'Reilly word sinking. I did something about it. I didn't keep quiet. I didn't say get out just like that. I want to build a place. O'Reilly is alive today because of me. In 50 days, I built a 10 classroom block with ceiling fans, TNG, environmental.
So because of that, we should get out?
No. Go and do likewise. Go and do
How?
likewise.
You were once a chief of defense staff, second time chief of defense staff, Nanado's campaign manager, national security advisor to the late president.
Nobody has been.
You were paid. So maybe you had some money. The youth of today, no job, no nothing in our pocket. How do you want us to build a school?
There are people who have been in my position. How many Ghanaians have built a secondary school?
No, who and who? Name them and shame them.
CDS 1 year, IGP 1 year, 1 year ministers. Who will be? There are thousands of them.
So direct the revenue
to them. My question is going to them. I'm saying to them that don't sit down and be an armchair critic. Say, if there's something you can do yourself, do you
regret that statement?
I will say 100 times more. Because if I could go to Sabah, walk in the sun, build a police station, go and see the police station. It's like a wonderful. Let me see. I am saying I've given my all to my country. Give your all to your country in many ways you can, and don't sit down there and criticize. So when they were criticizing, making Yekobuyano, as a mama, no Kobuyano, would teach. I had a prepared speech, but I was so overcome with anger because the work was strike, demonstration. My brother, I'm at 3 o'clock. My brother, my old boy. Now, let me explain to you where the money comes from.
Okay, tell me.
I'm a former chief of defense staff. He was defense staff now, retires on their salary.
Okay.
As I say, in that question.
Oh, and see, what's when the salary don't have been edgy?
It's supposed to be the same.
It's the same.
It's the same. It's the same.
Is this edge more than 20,000 cities?
Yes, remember. Then I became...
No. You take more than 20,000 Ghana cedis every month.
There's nothing secret about it.
No, your salary is more than that of the president.
I am coming.
The chief of the CDS takes almost 38,000 Ghana cedis. And you were taking 38,000 Ghana cedis.
That's why the money came. Let me see why the money came.
Yes.
I never stole it. Then I became minister advisor.
That's right.
As a minister.
AJS Gracia. Very good.
Menzi, your money...
No problem. No. You
made about Menzi. I could have bought land cruisers. But I used the money to build this bloody country of ours.
All the schools.
Schools are missing here. Remember, where the money
that time, your S Gracia was 305,000 Ghana cedis. You built 7 schools. Okay. 305,000 Ghana cedis cannot build 4 schools.
Remember.
Where did you get the remaining money?
Remember. And that's open file. Open
and to catch up.
I am saying to you. When I got the other money, ask me,
which other money? Did you steal?
I was getting 2 payments.
Where?
That CDS pay and the security advisor.
But that is criminal.
Oh.
You are not supposed to take double pay, sir.
Captain, no. No,
but you took double pay.
No, I didn't take.
You were taking money from the Ghana Forces as a retired CDS and then the Minister of State.
No.
Okay, explain to me.
Please. You're not being fair.
I'm fair.
No, let me talk. Pension, what's that?
No, pension is what's that? Matter say.
But you
are given a contract by the government. No, but you are not supposed to take that money. Double pay.
I'm not supposed to.
No, but that is criminal.
No. It is criminal.
No, but
I don't agree with you. Pension pension. But me honest people, me you be a more power man within. Scam face school my one.
Advisor for how many years? Advisor how many years?
Allow me to speak.
Okay.
You are not being fair to me.
Pacho Kasa, Kafra.
When we be any scam. Where the money come from? I explain where the money come from. You may see it's wrong, but that's where the money comes from.
That you agree it's wrong?
No, I don't agree.
Why?
Because government the same.
How? You took it before?
No. By building school for the advanced children.
It's a school no Christina hen.
You see,
How much?
No. I'm coming to explain to you. Mama Nkasa.
Okay. No, I mean, besides, so just a simple
when
question.
When you build something yourself, it's about 1/4 the price government is charging. People are charging.
Exactly, but I just want to know how much you spent.
I don't know how much I spent. I just
how.
I wasn't having a book.
So you are also an unsincere old man.
No. You're wrong thing to say. When I put the money back in the government conference,
no, you can't just put money. If you put the money back into government conference, you should be able to tell us how much you put back into government conference.
Being good, me.
What's the no? You're hindi.
No, but I think that's the secondary school. Me see a Konyako, a by the police station.
Of course, not him.
Remember, Mama Kasa. Kasa, because in your fair.
Okay, Kasa.
In your fair.
That's
fair question, in your fair at all.
Listeners, I'm quiet now.
No, you are there. You have turned me into President B. I mean, you are now as if I'm actually offended interviewing you. No, Mama Kasa.
I'm only asking you simple questions.
I had question talking to Yanka yesterday. Mama Kasa.
My is in Kasa.
Yes,
since I'm my is in.
Maybe some question.
Mama Kasa bio.
Teacher one of four. In Asia, they be I have been there for my hard. It's you may say it's wrong, but I'm telling you where the money came from. The money I'm going to put to 2 or 3 land cruisers. But I have a car 46 years old. Means my land cruiser, but you see them and go for one school. My abon. My abon. You will pay for P. Kofran and walk out one hour in the West. You don't have a call. It's a portrait. All they fair to me there, at least in.
You took an illegal money and invested into something legal.
Money. No, I didn't take it.
Okay.
Even when you were illegal, what have you done to that? I gave the money back to. I could have bought 2 or 3 land cruisers with the money. Okay. I said no.
That's fine.
Invest the money in Ghana. We see them and go for one. Miracle. See, are they fair to those who are giving back something?
No, I'm not saying I'm not being fair to you. I was only asking you questions.
And I'm explaining to you.
Okay.
But let the people judge whether I've taken money legally.
Mpocho, finally, I want to paying full chrome. People are retiring on their salaries. Now you're taking over 30,000 Ghana cedis a month as a retired.
No.
Obu 20. Because current chief of defense staff, Obu 20. Oji 28,000. Not allowance,
NGB. Go to my bank, Barclays Bank.
And so what is Oyahin?
Around 20.
20 and around 20.
Around 20. I mean,
into 20. Okay, it's find an allowances and count. It's 20,000 Ghana cedis a month.
Yes. I am a pension. I am a Z. Na me my band. My family one. I am a Z. My family. Mamanji. Captain. Mamanji the mister.
But don't man can the bench. Sanya wouldn't to your own count.
Yo, na what you mama there. Mutu my count. Also me that. But me just ignore my band. I have one.
In fact, ye na ye mabekwa ya Benjuma. No, they will retire on their salaries. You see, it's not his fault. I'm not blaming him. Somebody is paying him that money. As a former CDS, was retiring on his salary, 20,000 plus. Quite because the current one will take some allowances. He will not take those allowances. And it's his pension. You're entitled to it.
What is important
Excellent.
is what I've done with my life.
Fantastic.
There are people that I look after. When I'm done with circle, a man stops me, asks me in heavy traffic, General, you paid my school fees at school. Me? I said, yes, I came to you and you paid my school fees.
Good job.
For 3 years. So we say, I'm not going on there. Yes, I'm in traffic.
No money.
Many of them. There's a girl who is saying in Winneba, I look after her at Nkonyako. I look at her throughout school. The papa told me to school fees. Oh, we were not going to school as a teacher. I went to my mother's house, got a house for her to stay in. I gave my personal fridge to her to stay in.
Wow.
So
let me close my iPad and then let me ask my very final question. Why do you think Nanado has failed? Be sincere.
Why do I think he has failed?
Yes.
The problems Ghana face, they are increased. They're not getting solved. We elect people to come to power and solve our problems. They're not solving them. In fact, government here we are failed because the problems are getting worse and they're going to blow up because population of Ghana today, maybe how many think we are?
They say 30.8.
We were school, Papa Uncle school. We were school, Moko Army. I became chief of defense staff. We were schools, every university, 5, 6, 7 years. When I'm not failing. When you school, what kind of school?
Can you do anything different?
I can do anything different. We need leadership role. Look, agriculture should be given a much more push. At some point, did something.
Okay.
At some point, didn't take a loan from World Bank. We don't need to chase IMF. My chase will be that I paid my school fees into carrying cocoa cement to become chief of defense staff. Ghana can put their way out of the chaos in which you find ourselves. China didn't go to borrow money for here and there. Yeah, leaders, you would in which leader. We can bring Ghana out of these doldrums. We can do it.
No mistake, sir. Thank you, sir.
Permission granted.
Thank you. So that's it. It brings to the conclusion of this morning's interview with Brigadier General Nunoo-Mensah, the former Chief of Defense Staff of the Ghana Armed Forces, a very fantastic old man. Infancy Hana Yamiya Doma and Afufro Yanino Ebetra. So he's 85 years. Still strong. Not doing you, madam, no can. 85.
You brought it out
not doing you.
You brought it me. What? Australia. Or have been there. To be able.
Oh, correct, sir. Thank you, sir.
But that's it. I miss Ghana.
I miss Ghana. That's it. You better fear, better best show.
You.
You better fear. We'll be right back after this break. When we return, it'll be time for Dr. Sharp. We'll be right back.